From industrial to wearable tech and everything in between, these 10 genius inventions you won't believe aim to make our lives easier and much more enjoyable in every way imaginable. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. PD-NE. Using a drone to transport bulky items is now a thing of the past. Now we're able to turn pretty much any item into its own flyable drone. With PD-NE, anything at all can be used as a drone. The adaptable platform lets you transport anything you like by strapping attachable propeller arms onto it. The system allows for 4 to 6 adaptable motor arms to fly virtually any item the same way you fly a conventional UAV. It uses a flight control system to fly your item without issues, but does require somewhat strategic placement of the props ahead of time. The team behind PD-NE is currently working out an even better setup that integrates wireless interaction between motors, automatic calibration, and counter-rotating propellers to help you get the most out of the entire system. The PD-NE has a flight duration of 10 minutes, and the 8.8-pound setup can carry items that weigh up to 33 pounds at a speed of 12.4 miles per hour. It doesn't fly well in wind speeds of over 9 miles per hour, but it's water resistant and able to tackle rainstorms without shorting out. Focals. Move over, Google Glass. Explore focals are not just useful, they're amazingly stylish too. This eyewear smartphone combo allows you instant and totally discreet access to a heads-up display that only you can see. They're super subtle and work with all prescription types. They even have non-prescription lenses to help the spy in all of us get a leg up, with anti-reflective, water-repellent, and scratch-resistant coating. These unique glasses also offer advanced UV protection, which makes them a fairly impressive product. Explore Focals let you know when you receive a notification on your smartphone without having to take it out of your pocket or even have it on your person at all. You can easily manage and reply to notifications with smart replies, emojis, and snooze delays. Stay on top of calendar and task management, Slack and Gmail messaging, along with smartphone notifications. One of the coolest features is the presentation teleprompter. For people who lead busy lives, you can even take care of your Uber hailing and driver tracking, as well as turn-by-turn navigation to keep your driver honest or keep you from getting lost while you're out and about. Flight and transit updates mean you're kept totally up to date with regard to public transportation schedules, and you can even control your Spotify music playlists without any fuss or bother. The glasses tap into Facebook, WhatsApp, and SMS messaging, highlighting places of interest and tracking weather, all totally hands-free. The HUD appears at arm's length, and a handheld remote lets you control your focals with a 4-directional joystick. The sun clips look amazingly cool, and the carrying case doubles as a charger to provide up to 32 hours of battery life. Revolve. Revolve is a nifty invention that is 2 wheels in one. The first is a 665mm wheel that easily attaches to a bicycle, wheelchair, cart, and land drone, while the second is a 226mm wheel that can be easily stored in a trolley, backpack, luggage, or carry-on bag. The Revolve takes up 60% less space when folded and can be used in all conditions. If you're tired of people stealing your bicycle wheels, Revolve lets you simply pop them off and pack them in your bag for easy transportation when they're not in use. It's 100% compatible with most bicycles and wheelchair designs. When it's unfolded, the Revolve segments come together to guarantee the same fluidity as a normal wheel, which allows it to offer near-universal large wheel efficiency. The best part about Revolve is that it's easy to carry, and it's awesome that the team behind it has ensured that it's easily adapted to either a bicycle or wheelchair. It's airless, making it puncture-proof and great for even rough conditions. The universal hub makes hooking your Revolve up to your bike a complete cinch, and the aluminum frame is extremely durable. A magnetic key allows you to lock and unlock the wheel in mere seconds. Wearbuds. Wearbuds are exceptional hi-fi earbuds that charge on your wrist. They are IPX6 water-resistant and plug into a wearable watch that also doubles as a charger. You don't actually need to be wearing the watch band to listen to music, as the earbuds have a 33-foot range and can wirelessly tap in via Bluetooth. The system hooks up to your smart devices with an app and has great sound to boot. They're infinitely definitely better than other wireless earbuds because they have a much greater range of real-world use. The app includes fitness tracking and has intuitive tap controls. While the wearbuds don't really offer all that much functionality over traditional wireless earbuds, the wearable watch band does make them quite unique, and it's cool that they charge on your wrist. The wristband does have to be charged separately, which means that once it's out of juice, you can't really charge your wearbuds on your wrist until it's charged up again. But we're sure that there are plenty of people who will undoubtedly be impressed by this new form of wearable tech. At the very least, it does look pretty cool. Fido. Fido aims to be the lock of the future and is all about security and safety. It's got a minimalist design and uses 4 secure methods to lock and unlock your door. You can use your fingerprint, an inducted access card, Bluetooth proximity, and the accompanying app to ensure that your home is safe and sound at all times, while negating the need to carry around keys. It's unbreakable and unhackable, is easy to set up, and has a lifetime mechanical warranty. The battery lasts up to 365 days of continuous use. The app lets you share keys and double-check that your door is locked while you're on the go, with a built-in alarm system that sounds when someone tries to break in. Push notifications alert you of any intrusion via the app, and the auto-lock feature locks your door as soon as it closes, which is great for people who tend to forget these things. The app records the lock's activity throughout the day, and you can easily control your door remotely if someone needs access when you're not around to let them in. Perfect for parents and even Airbnb hosts, Fido offers a lot of versatility and plenty of security with the push of a button. Wive. Offering a free clinical quality ECG assessment anywhere at all, the Wive is useful for people with heart disease as well as everyone else. You can never be too careful when it comes to your health, and the best part about the Wive is its infinite portability. It records your ECG and evaluates it without the need of a clinician's assistance, and reports can be stored and monitored on a paired smart device in the app's health journal. Results can be shared as a PDF with the entire family or saved to be reviewed by your GP. It checks for arrhythmia and signs of a stroke, along with offering sudden cardiac arrest risk assessments, heart rate measurements, and blood oxygen measurements. Just place your thumbs on the sensors and get your report with a 98.69% accuracy level. There is a 2-year overall warranty for the device, and once it's been purchased, you can have an unlimited number of free evaluations whenever you feel like it without having to wait. Power Up 4. One of the most fun items on today's list, Power Up 4.0 lets you control a paper airplane with your smartphone. It has a built-in flight computer, autopilot feature, gyro accelerometer, flight telemetry information, and night flight mode. The system can be attached to almost any paper airplane setup and is pretty much ready to go out of the box. It's a total conversion kit for paper airplanes and aims to change the way we have fun for the better. All you need to do is fold your airplane, attach the module, pair the app, and control your plane right from your smartphone. Flight Assist Tech means that you can pull off impressive aerobatics with absolute ease, and you can even fly in really windy conditions thanks to an onboard wind stabilizer that works automatically. Launch Assist corrects even the worst tosses, and auto stabilizers keep you on the right path no matter what. You can achieve loops, barrel rolls, and hammerhead turns with the push of a button, and the 4.0 variant has twice as much thrust as previous versions. The app provides real-time analytics, including heading direction, thrust level, and turning angles. You can download and analyze your flight data to help you make your next flight even more enjoyable. The night mode allows you to see your plane even in no light conditions by using LEDs to light it up and keep it totally visible. Landing gear even helps you land or take off from the ground, protecting your plane even further. 25 minutes of charge offers 10 full minutes of flight time, and the Power Up 4.0's range is 70 meters. It can travel up to 20 miles per hour with adjustable speeds and weighs only 19 grams in total. The Frog. The Frog is a total body training device that gets its name from the fact that users end up moving much like a frog when using the system. It offers both beginners and advanced users a range of functionality. It's scientifically proven to work every muscle group in the body at the same same time and allows users to train pretty much anywhere they like without the need for additional equipment. Assembly is really easy, and once it's hooked up, it's easy to transport the machine from A to B with minimal fuss. It's great for all body types, and the whole system packs up neatly into a carrying pack. You can set up varying levels of resistance bands to slowly build up muscle mass, ranging from 10 pounds of resistance right up to 60 pounds. If you've been meaning to get in shape but haven't found a training regime that's right for you, the Frog could be right up your alley. Hollis. Hollis is an impressive and interactive tabletop holographic display that blends the real world with the digital world. It converts any digital content into a 3D holographic experience and offers a lot of functionality for businesses, developers, and recreational users. You can have digital board game parties or teach students with immersive lessons. It also lets you experience game content in an interactive way that's never been possible before, allowing content to be viewed from multiple angles at the same time. The system also comes equipped with an HDMI port and SDK, allowing users to create simulated holographic experiences like a Star Trek holodeck. The tabletop freestanding device is unlike any other VR setup because it's designed not to be wearable, which helps users involve themselves in their 3D world much more easily, right out of the box. It pairs with smartphones and any other third-party hardware without much technical know-how, and aims to really improve the way we interact with 3D holo landscapes and scenes. Seakeeper Gyro, a unique system that spins in order to keep any boat or ship more stable at sea, is really making waves. Or not. It uses a gyroscopic system to counteract a boat's natural motion when it encounters waves at sea to keep it stable, eliminating the worry of getting seasick even in rough seas. It negates up to 95% of boat roll, which is seriously cool and something that pretty much everyone could use while they're out on the water. It works well on almost every single boat setup and can be customized to fit your vessel with no problems at all. It uses a device that sits under the deck and spins a 500-pound donut-shaped flywheel that moves in a vacuum. It rotates at a rate of 8,450 revolutions per minute, and if you're a boat owner, you really can't afford not to check out the Seakeeper. We expect this to change the world of boating in a big way, and expect big things from the team behind this revolutionary device. And that's the 10 genius inventions you won't believe. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.